Really have a temperature, baby. Really has the temperature. Good morning, neighbors. That's pretty.
Oh, she's smiling.
Good morning, neighbors. Good morning, neighbors. Daddy's going to show you all about my day yesterday. So this is where we are now, after the shot. But here's how it went down. You're so sweet.
Oh gosh.
Here's Eva. Eva, look at the neighbors. Eva, look at the neighbors, baby. Say hi, neighbors. Say hi, neighbors. I slept so well. The Panadol really knocked me out. You're the best. As I said, we're going to show you what exactly went down yesterday because they're making it look easy. But they put on some balling after they got their shots. And we had a lot of other running up and down. So here goes. Morning, neighbors. So today we have a whole heap of thing to do. One whole heap of thing to do. Pulling up to the doctor's office shortly. Then we'll leave from the doctor's office to go to get Hannah's uniform. Even though I don't think school going to keep for the first term. That is just
We'll
me.
see.
That's just me.
We still have to plan. Still have to prepare.
Okay, we make our plans, but God determines our steps.
Indeed. That don't stop us from making plans.
Okay, but it can stop from buying uniform. After leaving Hannah's uniform place, I think it's Just Kids, something to that effect. We go to Ligani to pick up something for my mom. We go to a friend in New Kingston, and if we have time, because I'm sure by this time will be after 2 already, probably 3 o'clock. If the babies aren't too fussy, we'll try to go to Sun Island to pick up a couple of shirts for me. I already know what I want to start online, just going to pick it up, grab and go. In and out in 5 minutes. So it's a very full day. So first up, doctor's office. They're getting their 3-month shot. And they're not fussy babies, but we'll see how they react to this one.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Reach now, it's showtime. Forget my mask, sorry. Oh crap.
Take. So we've got our passports and we're ready to go. Looking outside, baby.
It's not my backyard.
Looking outside. You're so sweet. Oh gosh. So pretty in this light. Daddy. Daddy.
I look pretty?
You look pretty too. Oh, you sweet girl, you. Looking out the window? Looking out the window? It's pretty out there. Yes, it's pretty.
We're actually in the doctor's office right now. They are looking at Eden, and I have Ava in my lap standing by, and Ava is actually doing a number 2, releasing a load in my lap, which is the sounds that you hear. And we were there holding a vibe until Eden got her shot, and then, boy.
Look. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
So after seeing how Eden reacted, oh gosh man, Ava said, no man, I need to find a plan quickly, but it never worked for her.
Oh my sweetheart. put on her clothes and I said, give her
What's that? You're not coming back? You have to come back. Alright, so doctor's visit is over. Packing up now in the car.
Okay.
They're okay. Thank God for that. Look what we got. Powder gold. It's now 1:30. I want to try to go to Hannah's uniform place. Everybody hungry, I'm sure.
Yes.
But we're not stopping until 5 o'clock, so.
Say what?
On the move again.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Alright, so I'm at the place, but there's a sign on the gate. So I tried to turn in, but it never worked. So I'm crossing the road now to see exactly what the sign is saying, because I don't know. Alright, so it's saying as of March 1, afternoon bus. So apparently it's fine. He just never heard. The security never heard when I reached the gate. It's pretty noisy, but I was blowing, so I'm going to go over and park. In the meantime, I think Hannah gone buy something to drink, so I'm going to get in the car and wait until she comes back. Then we'll head over. We'll head over to get the measurements for the uniform.
I'll take it.
Oh yeah.
So you buy snack for you alone, Hannah?
No, well, I mean,
Oh gosh.
Sorry,
you
you
even
wanted to
buy
buy-
chips.
You see how she stayed though?
I don't stay. I was going to share it with
You see, you said you bought what?
Okay, do you want me to go buy more?
No, come. That means no lunch for you.
What do you mean no lunch for me? I'm sorry. I was going to share
Hannah
it.
buy snack for herself.
Imagine 5 of us in here and she buy
flavors do you
one
want?
snack.
What? You can't eat this.
I'll have a champagne.
Which one do you want? Why are you still videoing me?
Whichever one you don't want.
I don't know which.
I have the champagne. She didn't say no, I want the champagne. And I'm going to say, okay, give me the grape.
You know what? Go nice with cola champagne, bun and cheese.
Hannah, any day, no?
I would have worked that for lunch. I would have eat that for lunch. You don't have to spend a whole heap of money, babe.
I'll show them say bun and cheese over there, so. Alright, afternoon. Is still bun and cheese? Alright, cool. What else you have? You have cornbread. But you don't have no cheese. Alright. No, I want you to go. Afternoon, so I can go just go just kids or whatever. Okay.
Yeah, just park on side.
Alright. So Tina and Hannah went to get the measurements done for the uniforms, and I stayed in the car with the babies. So now, presenting for the first time anywhere, Hannah. Oh.
Look a little close. I think sizing up once. No, I think we should size up.
Ready to win.
Yeah. I think the blouse look okay.
I was just gonna say to you, the thing is that her top is okay. How many you need?
Just two.
I was saying that I probably could cut them and just make the big a little bit bigger for her, and then you pick them up next week.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay.
Alright, so sort out that. Write it up for me.
So the employee says to write it up, so now we proceed to pay, right? Well, clearly Tina is giving her the card. And you try one time and it not go through. You're like, okay. A little nervous, you start shift your hand a little bit, but you try again. Because it must be their error. There's money on my account. You try again, you know. Same error. So you really now start fidget. Your hand just can't stop move. And you're just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know, you're wondering how you're going to run out of the place. You can't wash dish because it's a closed store. But thank God eventually the card machine delivers. And we get to wrap up the sale, the transaction.
So you'll call us
and we get to go about our business.
Alright, thanks. Alright, so that's that. We got that done. That was pretty painless. It was empty. There was not a lot of people. We didn't have any long waiting. Just have to adjust the size of the tunic. But they said they'll call us when that's done. So that's one thing off our list. Thank God.
On the move again to Sun Island, Jamaica. Back at Sun Island again.
Say hi, Edie. Say hi, Edie. Hey guys. So Daddy just went inside Sun Island to pick up a few t-shirts. I think that's it for us for the day. We accomplished everything that we said we would. Outside is still looking very overcast. I think we're in for some inclement weather this weekend. But I'm glad that we were able to accomplish everything. So when we bought Hannah's uniform, when Hannah and I went for the uniform, we only picked up two. We only purchased 2 uniforms for Hannah because there's still so much uncertainty surrounding the reopening of schools this September. I honestly don't think that she's going to be going back to a system of full-time face-to-face classes. I had to ask the pediatrician what her feelings were about Leila and Zahra starting in September. Her response was basically, we're just going to have to wait and see, because as you all know, we're in the middle of a surge right now. We're having an increased number of cases, and after the holiday weekend, the Emancipendence Week, with all the parties and all the get-togethers and everything that happened during that week and over the 2 holiday weekends, yeah, I'm expecting that you're going to see even more of an upsurge in the cases. And you know, that's very scary as a parent. I'm sure a lot of you are going through that right now, wondering what's going to happen for September. It's funny, Hannah, I was really looking forward to Hannah having a great, exciting high school experience. You know, I had one. Paul had one. We all, most of us who are subscribers to this channel, viewers of this channel, had a great high school experience that involved us forming bonds, you know, making those friendships that have lasted us a lifetime, and just growing up. And it's an unfortunate thing that so many of our children will miss that experience. At least it won't be what we experienced, you know, when we went through that. So Hannah spent first form. She did a regular first form. She did a regular face-to-face first form. Then second form was cut short because of COVID. She had to go right into online session by when? It was by March or April of 2020. She had to just go into the online remote learning. She spent her entire third form in a remote learning kind of environment. And I know that's not so bad, because you have kids who first form, second form experience, that's all they know, and it's just online. It's rough, it's very rough, but we trust in God. We trust that the vaccination program will roll out, and that eventually we will get to the stage where we can resume face-to-face classes, because this online thing, I know in my case, for my children, it's not the ideal situation, and I would hope that they would be able to go back to school soon when it is safe to do so. So let me know how you guys are doing. How are you doing in terms of back to school preparations? Because everything for us is late this year, very late. Even the purchasing of the uniforms. Today is the 13th, and normally I would have been purchasing uniforms from July. For Leila and Zahra, we have not yet ordered their uniforms. We have not yet started shopping for their books. I'm going to be shopping for Hannah's books online next week. But for Leila and Zahra, that hasn't started as yet. Hannah is the priority because she's in high school. She's going into 4th form. And whether or not there is face-to-face school, she will require her textbooks and her supplies. So that has to go on. Let me know how you guys are managing, how you're planning, what you're feeling, how you're approaching this whole back to school thing. We'll be vlogging, so you'll see what we are doing and what we've decided to do and how we're going to approach it.
That was just a quick haul to pick up some shirts, regular around the house shirts. So home time now. So after a long day, guys, we're back home, but we did get to accomplish all that we needed to do. Yes, that is Tina breastfeeding and editing because she's trying to drop a video. It's now after 4, but she's trying to drop it by 8. I think it's going to be a miracle, but we'll see how it turns out. So until next time, thanks for coming with us, and we're tired. Hope you get some rest this weekend. And big up as usual from me and my house. Take care, guys. Hi. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, please. Very good. Very good.